Hi guys, I want to try to give your sister some granuts. Let's make lunch. Let me open it for her. How do I put my food? I'm about to make lunch. So we're having
Granuts.
no.
Take the cover.
We're having pickle. We're having granuts. We're having beans and plantain. The plantain is already frying on the fire there. That's it. I'm supposed to have done the dishes, but I don't have energy. Either. I'm just gonna discard this one now. Our plantains were all over. Look at me. They were overripe. I'm warming up my baby's food. We didn't go to church today because although we connected from home, there was no physical church today because of snow. It was really snowy. We had already gotten we had gotten the warning that there was going to be snow. Wow. We had gotten the warning that there was going to be snow. So how many of you know this fruit? I've never tried this in my life. It's called pomegranate. Pomegranate. It's really nice. The first time I tried it, I tried it this year.
It's very healthy.
I know it's healthy. So I have one spare. I'm gonna eat this later in the day as a snack. Please, if you know the benefits, leave it in the comment section for me. Thank you. And yeah, after 9 months of looking like a lost child, like looking, hey, when do I live there? And I'm going to also have some broccolis as well. 9 months of looking like a lost somebody. Guys, I finally made my hair. See, one of my big mommies in the church made it for me. So, this hair is going to last. I'm going to take it for long. The spoon is really hot. I'm deep frying it in this manner because the plantain is already soggy. The plantain is already. I've not had breakfast. Today I don't know why I skipped breakfast, but it's okay. Anyway, I use sunflower to fry. This is what it looks like. So I'm very careful because my pot is slippery and the beans is there. I've cleaned this house 100 times and I'm not ready to stress myself. Yeah, plantain is ready. Let me bring it out. Anyway, move back, move back. My plantain is ready, I'm taking it out. Now don't let your sister come near this place. So sorry for backing you guys. Every Sunday they release Abejoye, so I'm watching Abejoye as well. What is it? Yo, Annabelle, go. This kitchen is 2 times. Jesus. Help this girl. All these toddlers when they agree. Thank God. Plantain is ready. It's been fried. I'm going to have this like 3 times. Let it cool down before I serve you guys. So Huh. I'm watching Abejoye. If you are looking for a Christian series to watch, please watch Abejoye. I'm also going to see how to sort out this place. I'm already folding that one while I'm watching this one. I have a lot to do today. I'm going to take down this Christmas tree and look at what this madam is doing in my small kitchen. Anyway, it's fine. If you're happy and you know, we really she's eating. We take a lot to feed this girl. If you're happy and you know, clap your hands. I'm gonna stop here. Please do well to support my channel, like, share. But on all social media platforms, I am very active now. I'm very active on all the top 4 so far. Where I know I've not started doing anything much is on X, that's Twitter, and yeah, nothing much. And then I'm also what? Come and say hi, guys. Come. Some what?
Some cool.
Some Coke. Okay, get the cup there. I'll give you some Coke. That Coke has been in the fridge for a very long time. I've been drinking it small because I'm not a Coke person anymore. I can either take more or just drink water. Alright, guys. It's basically like you spend a day with me. See what this girl is doing in the kitchen. And this is triumph. Okay, thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching this far. And I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and subscribe. Peace.